Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Let's talk sexy eggs. Y'all know I love making eggs, and when I make them, I love making them nice and sexy on the Blackstone. I'm going to show you a few tips on how to make the perfect eggs, whether they be dippy eggs, which are also a sunny side up or an over easy. We'll go through scrambled eggs, and we'll go through a nice omelet. Before we jump into it, be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and click that subscribe button and the bell, and tell your friends to do the same. Now it's time to make some sexy eggs. When it comes to cooking eggs, I like to pick a nice brand of butter, whether it be salted or unsalted. That is completely up to you. Or I like to cook my eggs in a extra light tasting olive oil. I talk about extra light tasting olive oil all the time. It is perfect for frying and bacon, and it really cooks your eggs perfectly. Another choice would be to go with ghee, which is a clarified butter. If you want, you could use duck fat, which adds a lot of flavor to your eggs. All of these would be the perfect choice for cooking really nice eggs on the Blackstone. For our dippy eggs, I think I'm gonna go with the ghee. And when it comes to eggs, I love going for the largest or the jumbo eggs from the grocery store. And if you're looking for the perfect shaped egg, you can use the Blackstone egg rings. Whenever cooking your eggs for breakfast, I am sure you have some kind of breakfast meat or potato cooking at the same time. So now that has preheated my Blackstone throughout the whole thing. In the one zone that I will be cooking my eggs, I'm gonna turn the burners off, letting that residual heat cook my eggs. So let's drop down some of that ghee and our eggs and let them slowly cook, hang out, do their thing until they are done to your liking. That ghee is really gonna help these eggs slide right off the Blackstone when they're done. Once they're done, plate them up and start dipping and enjoy them. Now let's roll into scrambled eggs. I love nice, fluffy, sexy scrambled eggs on the Blackstone. I'm gonna use some of that ghee again here. Let's crack some eggs into our bowl. Now you want to add in a little bit of water or half and half or milk. Any one of those will do. I'm going with a little half and half, whisking it continuously. I'm not gonna salt my eggs or season them with any pepper until they are halfway cooked through. Now that our eggs are whisked, let's drop down our ghee and turn those burners off. They were set to about medium low for quite some time, so we're gonna drop down our eggs a little at a time using the Blackstone scraper, which is my favorite tool when cooking scrambled eggs. I just like to gently glide them along that ghee and let them slowly cook. If you'd like to add in some salt and pepper, now would be the time. Also, if you want to add in any cheese, a good sharp American cheese or sharp cheddar cheese would be perfect over these eggs. You can scramble them right in. The key to a nice fluffy egg is to not break them up, so just gently move them around. Looking perfect, so let's pull them off, plate them up, and dive right into them. Look how jiggly and wiggly they are. They are so perfect and fluffy. My favorite kind of egg. Now let's jump into an omelet. So we have all of our ingredients. We already have our eggs ready to go. We're gonna add a little bit of half and half to them. You can use any fillers you like. Get our eggs whisked up. Let's add our bacon to the griddle and let that begin to cook nice and low and slow. Then we'll drop down our onions and let that cook for just a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna slide that to the side. Turn off our burners and drop down some of that ghee again and our eggs that we whisked with the half and half. Add on to that half of our bacon and onion mixture. Top it off with some spinach, tomatoes, some cheese. Season up with salt and pepper. You could add any kind of fillers that you want in your omelet. Now we're gonna tuck in this one side of our omelet that's just slightly cockeyed, a little lopsided, making it just a little bit more perfect. And then using, again, the Blackstone spatula, my favorite tool, we're gonna begin to roll this omelet over until it's perfectly shaped. Top it off with a little bit of cheese. Let's pull it off and finish it off with some of those fresh garden tomatoes, which love their salt and pepper. So I'm going to season them up and grab the rest of that bacon and onion and top off our omelet. And now it's time to dig in. I hope this has helped you with perfecting your egg game on the Blackstone so that you guys can achieve the perfect sexy egg at home. I can't wait to see all of your eggs posted all over social media. Tag Sexy Eggs, tag Blackstone Products, and tag Blackstone Betty. We cannot wait to see. Be sure to go to that Blackstone Products YouTube channel and leave us a thumbs up, some comments, and invite your friends to do the same. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I've got some eggs to go enjoy.